Hey guys, welcome back to the Askmefunnels membership area. This is your friend Swam Dhawan, and in this video we are gonna talk about the another swipe file we have in our membership area, that is 130 plus winning headlines to increase your CTR and conversion rate. These headlines can be used for any kind of business niche you are serving, and you can grab people's attention to generate more leads and to acquire more customers and to sell more products. All right, so basically copywriting plays a very important role while having online business or even sometimes in offline business. To grab the people's attention, you must have a very good copywriting skills. All right, so basically on the people's audience demand, basically, or under our group, we have decided to compile the list of the winning headlines so that we may also help you to set up a perfect hook in your sales funnel. All right, so these swipe file basically help you to grab the attention of your target audience so that you may generate leads for your business. Being in the marketing from last 5 years, we have tested different funnels and done research, and at last we have made the list of the 100 plus winning headlines from our headlines vault, or the raw material you can say. And among of them, these headlines we have listed for you are uh, working very good for us and driving great results for our agency. All right, so what you need to do is just tap the button down below and use these heading templates to write down your own copy and titles in your next sales funnel. All right, thanks for watching this video.